We'll talk about how can you go live on your Meet Me app. We're going to figure out this silly how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on live down here. So you click on live. So then it's going, when you click here on live, it's going to take you here this. So then all you have to do, you just when you click here on this live here, so live, you just click here on go live here. So when you click here on go live, then it's going to take you to start live your live on your Meet Me app here when you just click here on go live. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. In here can you manage your live here. So if you click in this sign here, can you choose here who can see your live, anyone here, or choose here country, then near your edge here, or here choose language, then you save, then you just go up to save it. So that's all here to that's all can you do to go live. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.